everyone, today I am walking you through how to claim your website when you are using a Squarespace hosting site. Now to get started, we're going to go ahead and click over here on the right hand side and we're going to go to your settings. Before we can claim your website, we need to be able to get the code from Pinterest. So as you can see, our site is currently claimed, but if it was not claimed, you would simply hit this button that says claim. So let's walk through the steps together. You would enter in your website, hit claim, and then it gives you two options. I always choose the HTML tag. So you're going to copy this code and hit next. Okay, so we are done with Pinterest and now it is time to go over to your website. So now we are on our Squarespace site. In order to drop the code into the header of our site, we simply come over to Settings, we scroll down to Advanced, and then we're going to go to Code Injection. Now from here you can see you have the options for your header, your footer, and really anything else that you want to add code to. So you're going to go ahead and take your code and you're going to drop it into the header of your site. So this is our code for claiming our website. And then once you do so, you're just going to scroll back out and you're all done. It's that simple. It doesn't affect anything on your website, and all you have to do is wait 24 to 48 hours to go ahead and have your website claimed within Pinterest. Now, I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you are looking to dive deeper into Pinterest and start utilizing it for your business, I would love to invite you to join our free masterclass. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below so you can start watching it today.